Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage and how to turn on or off the night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly, I will show you how to customize it, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display. On the third position, we've got night light, so let's enter, and in order to customize it, we have to turn it on. So just tap here, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will make it easier to look at your screen or read in the dim light or actually in the bad light conditions around you. So of course you can change the intensity of that feature. Just going to the left, you can make it much cooler, to the right much warmer. What's more, you can schedule it just up here, and you can, for example, turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So you can choose freely the start time. So let me pick, I don't know, for example 1, and end time at 9, whatever. So as you can see, it will be immediately applied. So let me turn it off, and actually this is the whole customization of this feature. And now let me show you faster access to it. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the night light. As you can see, it automatically appears. If you cannot find it, and for some reason if it didn't appear, no worries, just tap on this edit icon right here. You will have to find it somewhere here, tap on it, hold it, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first panel. But if it appeared, then everything is fine. And now obviously it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the night light in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.